This is a killer deal. Run for this one. If you guys need this M12 12 volts 4-in-1 installation driver, 3 extra driver kit, 4 batteries, 100 pieces bit set. This is a really good deal because it does come with the charger battery case plus 2 3 amp hour. Is that 3 amp hour? Two larger batteries. I don't know exactly what they are. We'll find out right now in a second. It does come with a bit set. 179, guys. This is a really good deal. Let me just double check on these batteries. They are 3 amp hour batteries, and you are getting two 3 amp hour batteries, two amp hour batteries, charger, contractor bag, shockwave impact duty, 100 piece. I'll leave you guys a link down below in the description section of the video. If you need this, run for it because they do sell out. It's back in stock. I believe it's selling on like really crazy right now. There's 81 of these available. Chances are they're selling at this moment. So if you guys need this, make sure you guys pick it up. You got the M12 fuel installation driver, got 3/8 all metal chuck attachments, 1/4 inch hex attachments, offset attachment, right angle attachment. Of course, you get those 2 batteries, the charger, the contractor bag. I personally do not care for those chargers because you do have those M18, M12 chargers already. The ones to charge both of those, but some people just like those, I guess. It is a 4-in-1 dedicated solutions, access control, up to 300 inch-pounds of torque. So you're getting some torque on this one. 5.1. I'm making this video up to 3 minutes because do not wait for me to finish this video. Just go down and get it. 5.1 in length, flat top design. Got 300 inch-pounds of, we just talked about that. Battery gauge, magnetic bit holder, weight with battery 2 pounds, removable clip. It says inline positions, users hand tool providing better access, forward and reverse switch. You got 2 mode, speed selector, 0 to 400 rpm, 0 to 1600 rpm. So you got different speeds on that one. And here's the different attachments that are included with this. Dedicated solutions, 4 interchangeable solutions for maximum versatility. Right angle, 3 chuck, offset off. These are great for cabinetry, even for just smaller jobs around the house. 5 and 12 inches. 5 inches, 5.12 inches, my bad. 2 pounds. So guys, yeah, I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of the video. We'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.